So you're thinking about buying a home in San Diego, and the important thing to remember is that not all buyer's agents are created equal, and who you choose to work with matters. I'm Jen Dijulio with the Whissel Realty team, and I'm excited to be here today and share with you our VIP Buyers Program and what those perks include. This program was designed to give as much value to our clients as humanly possible. Because what we're actually up to is not having a client for one transaction, but creating clients for life. So I would love you to sit back, grab a glass of champagne, let us roll out the red carpet, and hear about my favorite perks of the VIP program. Perk number 1, it is called Love It or Leave It Guarantee. Not love it or list it, but it pretty much is the same thing. So if you move into a home within the first year, if you don't love it, we're gonna help you sell it for no commission on our side. Whether you have a creaky house that you don't love the noises, or you have some Karens that are your neighbor and driving you crazy, whatever the story is, we're gonna help you get you into a dream home, no commission on our part. And my favorite thing about this is we've never had to use it before. Our second perk to the program is our home warranty guarantee. And so what this allows is when you move into a home, the home warranty will cover all major appliances up to a year. So when you move into your home, if anything breaks, from your refrigerator to your air conditioner, it will all be covered. And this cost is $500 to $1,000. And normally in a transition, sometimes that cost goes on to the buyer, but not with our team. We have you covered, and I've seen it save our clients thousands of dollars and stress and time. The third perk to the VIP program is free moving trucks for life. So not just once in your transaction with us, but for life onward, you get to borrow any of our 3 moving trucks we have. You can check those out with us and just pay gas. And that includes dollies, includes blankets, and can save you hundreds of dollars. So again, it's not just for your move. If you're gonna buy a couch or furniture down the road, just give us a call and we've got you. The fourth perk to the VIP program are our lender partners. And just like agents are not created equal, it's the same thing for our lenders. So you really want the best players to be on your team, and the lenders that we work with can save you thousands of dollars, points of interest right now. Some of them can save you 2 points of interest, and also they can cover your appraisal and get things rolled into the closing cost. An appraisal costs anywhere from $500 to $1,000. And with other agents, you're gonna be paying that fee, but not with the Whissel team. One of the last perks that I love, the 5th one on our VIP program, is our cancellation guarantee. So we don't want you to feel or be locked into any contract and feel like you have to work with somebody. We wanna work with clients who are excited and want to work with us. We know that sometimes life changes. If your life changes and you're not gonna be moving anymore, or I'm not giving you the kind of service that I'm promising, we just ask for 3 days notice. We will try to find your dream home, and if we can't provide that service, then we will cancel the contract, no questions asked, and we'll shake our hands and still be friends. So these are just a few of the perks of our VIP program, and there's even more levels to it. So if you want to hear more details, please reach out to me. I'm Jen Dijulio again with Whissel Realty team here in North Park, San Diego, and I look forward to treating you like the VIP that you are and finding you your new home. Thank you.